Hey, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia. Let's get into this unboxing, baby. Brandon. I said Brandon. Get over here. Brandon. Y'all, if y'all remember a while back, I was crying because this bag was in my cart and I was too lazy to go downstairs to get my credit card, to put my credit card number in the information, and I woke up to it being sold out. Yeah. I said yeah. Got my hands on it and did. Never give up. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. First of all, come on, box. Come on, quality. Now, if you don't know, you better ask somebody. Let me bring you over here to my stash. Mind your business. Let me show y'all a little something. Cause if you thought what? Yeah. Don't play with her. Been gang, been down, been around, been. B on the Brandon Blackwood stand for Ben. Yeah. All right. Call me Disney. Period. I ain't even gonna open it because I already know what to say, because y'all see. I've been on. I'm over it for y'all though, because y'all might be late. It's handwritten, just kidding. Thank you for your purchase. Love, BB. And know what I said the B stand for? Ben. Let's get to the root of it. All right, let me cut it out. Y'all, I'm so hype about this. Ooh. Can y'all guess what I got? Y'all. Brandon, you ain't even have to do them like this. It's the quality for me. Hello. Listen. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, yup. And it. Brandon. Rip me out the plastic. I'm gonna be acting brand new. Like the power. Listen. Yeah. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, it's something about a new handbag. I'm sorry. I don't even be outside. I'll be right in the house. I'm so wearing my handbags around the house. Just touch. Yeah, because baby, I don't need nobody to see her. And see, I love that it has the feet. Because this that good, okay? I don't need her just laying up on anybody's crusty table. Yeah. Get into her. Like what? This is a piece, right? Let me put you on. This is a piece that when you old and gray and your kids start going through your stuff and they be like, oh my, what's that? Yeah, back your ball. Back up out my collection. Put my bag back. Put my pocketbook back. Put it down. This is also good enough to, in case you got a knock if you buck, right? But I ain't finna be knucking or bucking with this. She's too purty. Don't come for me, Peter. Pew! It's that pony. Ride it, my pony. My sack is waiting. Come here. Just, I ain't got no pony, period. Brandon babes. Brandon bags. And yeah, this the one that's big enough to get your phone in. Yeah. Yeah. This the one big enough to get your phone in. So, yeah. Summer, is that you? Hello? Oh my God. She's so pretty. I'm doing so much, child. I took one off this, with the other side. I ain't taking it off of this side. They saran wrapped this thing down, didn't they? I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at you. Hey. Okay, so just so y'all know, because before I bought it, I was looking. I wasn't sure, because as y'all can see, y'all saw the collection. I do have several other BBs. I got several other baby kids, and you know, they're the smaller petite things. So I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if she was, you know what I mean, if she was a tenderoni or she was a big bump. Okay, so yeah, she's a big boss. Let me see, because I got a little cell phone case over here so I can show y'all. And she fits. I am so high. Brandon, you ain't have to do them like this. Brandon, you ain't have to do them like this. Okay, last thing I want to show y'all. Let me see what the crossbody giving. Now, I love you, Brandon, but Team Tickle Bitties and Unbig Backs, we need it on the strap. I love you, Bookie. I really do. But if we could advocate for just a couple more inches. Just a couple more inches, Bookie. Okay, well, I don't know. I'm going to try this one on. But I haven't, you know. So, let's see. Let's see. Wait a minute. Before I let go. Okay. Now, listen. Keep in mind that I did lose a couple LBs. I did lose a couple pounds. So, old me, this would have been this. It would have been, yeah, we dug it, you know what I'm saying? Old me, yeah, it would have given Brazil. But new me is giving waist. What waist? Waist. What waist? Yeah. So I do still stick with my original statement, Brandon. No shade. This is all love. As you can see, I keep buying them. You know what I'm saying? I keep buying them. So as you can see, but yeah, if you could give us a couple more inches, or maybe even make some extenders. Make some extenders or something, some cute ones. I ain't mind my business. I ain't trying to tell you what to do or nothing like that. I'm just saying, the big girls need love too. The big girls wanna be hot girls too. And I love, look, it's like plushy. I was expecting it to be hard, but it got a little plushy. I'm obsessed. I love it. Best purchase ever. And it was on sale. If you missed the sale, baby, sorry for you. Good night.